In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports with the Blue Cat Reports plugin in Trello. If you're looking for a way to streamline your project tracking and create detailed, custom reports directly within Trello, this tutorial is for you. Blue Cat Reports is a powerful tool that makes it easy to analyze your Trello boards and turn your data into actionable insights. Whether you're managing a team, tracking progress, or just need a better way to visualize your work, I'll guide you step by step through the setup and reporting process. Let's get started. First, open your Trello board and look toward the top right corner. There, you'll see a small rocket ship icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a menu with various options. From there, select Add Power-Ups. This is where you'll integrate tools like Blue Cat Reports into your Trello workflow. Once you've opened the Power-Ups menu, you'll see a search bar. Type in Reports by Blue Cat and wait for the search results to populate. When Blue Cat Reports appears in the list, click the Add button next to it. This will initiate the integration process. After you've added the plugin, you'll notice that the Add button changes to Settings. Click on Settings to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to authorize the Blue Cat Reports plugin to access your Trello data. This step is essential for the tool to function correctly, so make sure to give the necessary permissions. Once the authorization is complete, you'll see a new shortcut button for Blue Cat Reports located at the top right corner of your Trello board, near the rocket ship icon. Click on this shortcut button to open the Blue Cat Reports interface. Now that you're in the interface, you're ready to create your first report. Start by clicking on the Create a Report button. This will bring up a prompt asking you to name your report. Be sure to enter a unique and descriptive name that clearly defines the purpose of your report. For example, you might name it Team Progress Overview or Monthly Task Breakdown. Once you've entered the name, click Create to establish the framework for your report. With your report framework in place, it's time to add your first chart. Blue Cat Reports will guide you through the setup process for creating charts, so just follow the on-screen instructions. This allows you to customize the data you want to display. For instance, you might choose to show a breakdown of completed tasks, upcoming deadlines, or assignments by team member. After creating your first chart, you can continue to add and customize additional charts as needed. Think about the story you want your report to tell and adjust the charts to fit your narrative. You can add as many charts as you need to fully capture the data you want to present. Once you're happy with your report, don't forget to save your work. To do this, simply click the Save Report button located at the top right of the page. This will finalize your report and ensure that all your changes are saved. If you don't already have a Blue Cat account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. And that's it! You've successfully set up Blue Cat Reports in Trello and created a customized report. Now you can easily track your team's progress, analyze data, and gain better insights into your projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.